Looking for the perfect canister vacuums? Here's what you need to know. The Hoover commercial PortaPower lightweight is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants lightweight, powerful vacuum cleaner. Lightweight and versatile with the ability to clean anywhere. The Hoover commercial PortaPower canister vacuum makes it easy to keep your space clean. Designed to help you easy to maneuver. Weighing only 8 pounds. This Hoover commercial vacuum cleaner can be carried by hand or over your shoulder and features a 33 ft cord, enabling easy maneuverability and helping to minimize downtime. Great choice if you need enhanced cleaning capabilities. This compact canister vacuum cleaner features a built-in blower and a stretch hose, enabling you to quickly clear dust and debris from work areas and reach tight spaces for a thorough, efficient clean. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.